With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. So question here is the define a climax community. How does a sere different from a seral community? Okay. So talking about firstly the climax community, we know that it is the part of the ecological succession. Okay. This is the part of the ecological succession. Now what is this ecological succession? Then it is the gradual replacement of the species or community. Okay. Gradual replacement of community by the other communities. So we know that in ecological succession, the first community which established itself in any area is termed as the pioneer community. Okay, and this pioneer community is then followed by series of the communities which we call as the seral communities. Okay, seral communities, and these seral communities then followed by an stable community which called as the climax community. Okay, so question asking about the climax community. What is this? We know that this is the stable community which comes after this different seral communities. Okay, so here this is the stable and final stage of the ecological succession. Okay, then this community, that climax community, this is the final terminal community, becomes more and less established for the longer period of time. So we can say that it established itself for the longer period of time. Okay, and it can maintain itself. The community members or the species which is living in this community is maintain itself in the equilibrium. Okay, in the equilibrium with the climate. Okay, so they can survive in the community members survive in the climate of that area. That's why it's termed as the stable community, and this stable community is then final and not replaced by any other community. Okay, so this is all about the climax community. Talking about the next community, which is the next term, is the sere. Okay, so here what is the sere? This is the sere is the transitional. Okay, transitional series. Okay, this is the transitional series of the community. Now what does it mean, that transitional series of community? So transitional means it can successively change. Okay, successively change. So that successively change series in a community is called as the sere. For example, we can take example of the rock succession here. Okay, in rock succession, the first established community is the lichens, and after lichens, here the second communities come is the mosses. Then after mosses, some herbs. Okay, different communities establish themselves. After herb, the shrub comes. Okay, then trees, after that forest. Okay, and then the establishment of the final stage which called as the climax community. Okay, so here this series, okay, that followed the final stage is termed as the sere. This entire series of communities is termed as sere. Next statement here is the seral community. We have to find the different in both of them. So what is the seral community? Okay, so here we have studied that it is the transitional series of the community, but in this case, in seral community, it is the individual transition that present in the community. Okay, transition present in community. And for example, we can take example here such as lichen. Okay, in this case lichen is the individual community. Okay, individual community that established firstly in the rock, then after lichen mosses comes. Okay, mosses also act as the individual community here. Okay, so this is the major difference, that they comes in the transitional series of the community. This is the series, but this is the individual. Okay, there is the individual community present. So this is the major difference between both of them. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.